Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best massage roller is probably one of the most underrated self-care tools out there. If you're dealing with muscle soreness, tension, or just want to unwind after a long day, a wooden massage roller can be a game changer. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of massage rollers, exploring their benefits, how to use them, and what to look for when choosing the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Gaiam Relax Massage Ball Roller. This handheld massager features independently rolling massage balls. They work together to stimulate circulation and ease tension. It's designed to provide pain relief and relax your body. The wooden massage balls can handle the pressure needed for effective back pain relief. This tool is perfect for soothing sore muscles. It's designed to be a simple and effective solution. The curved handle fits perfectly in your hand for easy control. The comfort grip helps limit hand and wrist fatigue. This design makes it easy to use on yourself or a partner. This muscle massager can dig deep to target larger muscle groups. It's effective for use on your back, arms, and legs. This allows you to focus on areas needing the most attention. Relaxation is key to a healthy lifestyle. This product helps decrease muscle tension and reduce anxiety. It's designed to improve your overall well-being. What we like. This massager offers deep tissue relief with its ergonomic design. The handle fits perfectly in your hand, making it easy to target those sore muscles. If you're looking to unwind after a long day and relieve muscle tension, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It does exactly what I need every time, and it's sturdy so I can really press hard. This little thing is perfect for that purpose. It's easy to hold and control the kind of pressure you roll with. It's also super lightweight so you don't get tired holding it. Works well. Number 4. ONUEMP Wood Therapy Massage Tools. This wood therapy kit helps relieve muscle pain and tension. It also aids in lymphatic drainage and boosts circulation. Using it can help reduce cellulite and shape your body. The handheld handle provides a comfortable grip. The curved design allows the roller to fit the body better for effective results. The strong nylon rope ensures it's durable and won't break easily. These body contouring tools are made of beechwood. They are crafted to be smooth, without burrs, and are built to last. You can rely on them for consistent use. You can use this tool dry or with massage oil. Start gently and gradually increase the pressure. It's suitable for use on your neck, shoulders, arms, abdomen, back, waist, thighs, and calves. It's light and easy to carry with the included storage bag. Take it with you when traveling, to the gym, yoga studio, or use it at home. It's also a thoughtful gift for loved ones. What we like. This wood therapy kit is designed for whole body use, helping with lymphatic drainage and reducing cellulite. It's made of durable beechwood and can be used with massage oil for optimal results. If you're looking for a versatile tool to improve circulation and sculpt your body, you should consider this one. What people say. The wooden massage roller is well made and sturdy. It is great for relieving muscle tension and knots. The design is ergonomic and easy to use. Number 3. ONUEMP Wood Therapy Massage Tools. This wooden massage tool is designed to provide deep tissue fascia massage, effectively relieving muscular pain and tension. It helps to promote lymphatic drainage and boost circulation, leaving you feeling refreshed. The handheld handle offers a comfortable grip, while the curved core design ensures the roller fits your body perfectly for optimal results. The alternating colors of the rollers are visually appealing. Made entirely of beechwood, this massage tool is built to last. It's designed to be durable, with no cracks or burrs, ensuring it won't easily fall apart. You can use it dry or with massage oil for an enhanced experience. Start gently and gradually increase the pressure. It's suitable for use on your neck, shoulders, arms, abdomen, back, waist, thighs, and calves. It's light and portable, perfect for travel, the gym, yoga studio, or the office. This makes it easy to enjoy a massage anytime, anywhere. It's also a thoughtful gift for your loved ones. What we like. This tool is designed for deep tissue fascia massage, helping to relieve muscular pain and tension. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use on your whole body. If you like the alternating color design and want a tool that is both effective and visually appealing, this is the one for you. What people say. The wooden massage roller is well made and sturdy. It is great for massaging the back, legs, and feet. The design is ergonomic and easy to use. Number 2. ONUEMP Wood Therapy Massage Tool. This wooden mushroom tool is designed for deep tissue fascia massage. It helps to relieve muscular pain and tension. Use it to perform lymphatic drainage and boost circulation. The handheld handle provides a comfortable grip. The pressure point design allows you to apply the perfect amount of pressure with minimal effort. This makes it easy to get a deep pressure point massage all over your body. The ONUEMP massage tool is made of rubber wood. It's built to last, with no cracks or burrs, and it won't easily fall apart. You can rely on it for consistent performance. You can use this tool dry or with massage oil. It's perfect for deep tissue massage and cellulite removal. Grab the mushroom tool and perform circular massages, starting in the lower extremities. It's light and convenient, and comes with a storage bag. Take it with you when traveling, to the gym, yoga studio, office, or just use it at home. Enjoy your massage anytime, anywhere. It's also a great gift. What we like? This unique mushroom-shaped tool is perfect for deep tissue fascia massage and lymphatic drainage. The pressure point design allows you to apply the perfect amount of pressure. If you are looking for a unique tool to target specific pressure points and reduce cellulite, you should definitely consider it. What people say. The wooden massage roller is great for relieving muscle tension and knots. The design of the roller allows for easy use on various body parts. It effectively targets trigger points and improves blood circulation. Number 1. Wood Therapy Massage Tools 2-in-1 Kit, Style B. This kit includes a wooden massage stick with 20 massage balls. It's designed to provide a full-body massage experience. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to relax and rejuvenate. Made from high-quality wood, this tool is crafted for comfort and durability. The surface is smooth and polished, ensuring it won't scratch your skin. The curved design fits perfectly to your body. The wooden body sculpting tools feature a unique design for firming the skin. It can be used on various body parts, including legs, arms, and hips. This helps to improve your overall body shape. This massage kit is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry. You can enjoy a relaxing massage at home, in the office, or at the gym. It fits easily into your backpack. This massage tool is suitable for everyone, from fitness enthusiasts to office workers. It's a great gift for anyone who enjoys sports or needs a massage. They will love it. What we like? This kit offers a 2-in-1 design, including a wooden massage stick that can cover your entire back. It's lightweight and easy to carry, so you can enjoy a massage anytime, anywhere. If you are a fitness enthusiast or someone who needs massage on the go, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The wooden massage roller is great for massaging. It works very well to relieve the pain. The design is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.